Back to the other part of the training, the Facebook business page setup. So in this video, we'll be showing you how to finish setting up your page and adding your contact, your email, your location. And as you proceed in your setup, Facebook gives you an update to know how far you have come and how far you've gone and what is left to do. So let's just continue with customizing our page. So this is where we customize the page, the business page, to suit our business need. And so when people come to look for us, they are very happy. Now, this is step 1 of 5 steps we're going to be doing. And if you have a website, put your website on the left hand side. So I have a website. I'm going to type in my website. Let's take it to small letters. That's my website. Okay, then I have a phone number. I'm gonna put my phone number. You're gonna look for your country where you are, wherever your address, and that's it. And then Facebook wants to know how many hours. Let people know your location. So if you're open for business every hour, you can choose not to show the hours. You can choose to say always open. I rather just leave it at always open, so people can send me messages when I'm sleeping, and then when I wake up, I get to attend to them. And then when you're done with this part, you think you're okay, you just click on next. We'll click on next and see where it takes us to. If it has any issue, it's going to let you know. In this part, you're going to be adding your profile picture and your profile cover. The difference is this. I'm going to take a random picture and add for the sake of this tutorial. But if you want to have like a fancy picture for your Facebook, you can create a good cover picture right inside of Canva. Okay, so Canva is a tool that helps you to create templates easily. And I use Canva a lot for all my designs. And trust me, it is my go-to app for creating templates and everything else. It's a lifesaver. Just when I say this, and if you're interested in learning how to use Canva, after this video, just send me a message and I will send you or training link where you can learn how to do it. So this tiny wee box is your profile picture, and this is where I suggest you put your logo. If you have a business logo for your page, you put it up here, and this is where you can put, if you have, this is your profile cover. And this is a cover. It's like what you call on YouTube, we call it the banner. And on LinkedIn, it's called the banner. On Facebook, it's called your profile cover. Now, this, you can design anything and you put up here. I've learned that the best design that creates the most attention is to use just a template, a canvas with a color canvas. Like, for instance, if your color is a pink, for instance, so you have a canvas, a pink canvas, and then you write a place of rest. So imagine you have a hotel business, a place of rest, or if you have a beauty business, will serve all your beauty solutions as your profile cover, and people tend to come there faster than those of us that have too many things going on our cover. And this profile picture is where you can add your logo. I don't have a logo right now for this. I'm just going to add a random thing so you can just see what it looks like. Let's start with the cover. Let's see what I can post there. Do I have anything that can suit it? So I don't have a logo for this training, but I'm going to use something that looks okay, just for the sake of this tutorial, okay? No, I don't want to use that. So let's assume this is a logo. Let's just assume you have a logo for your business. So use your logo, okay? Don't use anything random. It's a business profile. You must treat it as a business. So this is our profile. You can adjust it. Okay, I don't know if I like this, but for the sake of this tutorial, this is what we have. You can delete it. Let's delete it. I'm not liking it. I'll use something else. So okay, let's see if this will work. So this is my banner. So this looks better. So you can, it says, I'll take this away, drag to reposition. If you're not okay with it, you can drag it to reposition and center it the way you like. Okay, let's take this away again, and I'm okay now. Yeah, everybody can see this. Now we've done that, let's add our profile picture. So take a picture of your choice. Take a picture of your choice. It could be your face. If it's your personal brand, please feel free to use your face, to use your picture. Use a picture of you. Okay, don't be afraid. So this picture, I designed it inside of Canva to change. I removed the background with remove background ng, and I uploaded in Canva and put a pink background. So let's see if we can adjust it accordingly. Oh, it's looking so good on the right hand side, so it's just perfect. And this is how to set up, customize your page. Okay, this is how to customize your page. Now this is my page. I have just successfully customized this and moved again. Customize my page. It's that simple. Then the next part, when you're done with this, you click on next. It takes you to the next item for you to do other important settings on your Facebook business page. Now, if you have a WhatsApp number, you want people to connect to you on WhatsApp, you can easily just type it here and do that. But I don't want my WhatsApp here right now because it's a tutorial. I'm just gonna skip. If you have a business, please use it. Now this part, it tells you to invite friends. I don't key into this because the first time I started my business, I was inviting friends and then it was hurting my page. So I don't advise anybody to invite friends except for friends who you truly know support your business and promote your business. So I let them find me and decide to follow me themselves. So I do not put pressure and by sending them invitation to follow my page. They are not my customers, so I look for my customers and send them invites by running ads or by promoting my page on my profile. So there's so many ways you can do it. I'm going to create a video to teach you how to grow your page without inviting your friends. Now, this is the last stage, step 5 of 5, stay informed about your page. Page notifications on your profile, I'll leave it turned on. Marketing promotion, Facebook sends us tips and tricks on how to manage our business page. It tells you if your business page is healthy enough. It tells you what to do to promote your page. It tells you the kind of content that is trendy, the kind of content that will help you grow, and all those good stuff. So when Facebook comes to your inbox, they send you notification. But if you turn this page notification on your profile off, you might not get notified when you have all those information. And this is where Facebook sends you information about Facebook, about what's trending, about what tools you can use for your business growth. Now we're going to click on done and see where it takes us to. We have customized our page. Let's see the outcome of this beautiful business page we have just created together. Okay, give it some time to load. Go drink a cup of coffee or water or do something else and come back and see your page is ready. Okay, so the page is ready. Ta-da! The page is ready. You're now acting as Ovis Place on Facebook. You're now acting as Ovis Place on Facebook. If you check here and it says welcome to your new page, you're now switched out of your profile into your page Ovis Place. This means you have more confidence that you're sharing, liking and commenting as the page. See what else is new. Now you can take a tour. It teaches you other things. Now let's take a tour and see what else is new. Now you can easily switch between your page and your profile. If you have multiple pages, like I said earlier on, I switch between my page. I have pages I manage for people. I have my own business page, so I switch. Depends on the one I want to post on, and then I switch. And then other things you can do with your page, you can easily get stuff done. by using your insight. Like I said, if you have a Facebook profile, you can check your insight analytics. If you have a business page on Facebook, you can see your analytics, your metrics. You can see how your page is performing, who is contacting you, who wants your product, who wants to have a chat with you, and all those good stuff. And all these things you can see in one place. So it's a business place for your business. If you don't have a website, you can use Facebook optimally to grow your business without owning a website. Now explore your page feed. Always go to your page feed to see what is new and what people are trying to do on your page, and other notification. Now follow others at Ovis Place and see their updates here. When you comment, your name appears with a like button. Now, like I said in the first training video, on business page you get a like, you don't get follow. People follow you, but you don't get a request to accept them. You just get automatic following, and then you get automatic likes on your business page. And that's the difference between having a Facebook business page and having a Facebook profile. So congratulations, you have just created your Facebook business page. And this is what my page looks like. Okay, so the stuff you have updated will just be here, and we have other settings to do. We'll come back and we'll finish customizing our business page so that we can use it optimally for our business. I'll see you in the next video.